I want to emphasize that our goal today is to raise enough money, enough funds to bring this library to life. So far, as we have seen, designs have been approved and the contractor is about to be appointed. So this library and the event center are on track to be completed on schedule. I also want to use this opportunity to kindly ask our wonderful donors to please consider redeeming their pledges very soon. This will allow us to properly acknowledge their generosity and begin construction in earnest. General Danjuma and I will be redeeming ours immediately. Let me once again thank General Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida for finding General Danjuma and I worthy to be the chief mentors of this great event. Thank you, General, for the honor.